If the idea of someone snooping through your phone makes you queasy, you're not alone. From chatting, gaming, and streaming to banking, business, and dating, we depend on our phones and tablets more than ever before, and cybercriminals know it. In eavesdropping attacks, cybercriminals exploit our mobile devices in order to spy on our personal activities and steal our personally identifiable information, or PII. That activity and information can then be ransomed back to its owner, sold on the dark web, or become the first wave in a spear phishing or business email compromise attack. One common attack is SIM cloning. Your SIM card is how your phone identifies itself to the network. When a cybercriminal clones your SIM card, they can receive copies of all the calls and text messages routed to your phone, including authentication codes from accounts with multi-factor authentication. In a cloud hacking attack, cybercriminals breach your iCloud, Google, or Office 365 account and steal all of the data stored from backing up your mobile device. If you haven't reset your password, checked your list of signed-in devices, or enabled multi-factor authentication, now is the time. Malware and spyware often arrive disguised as legitimate applications. If you spot an unfamiliar app on your mobile device, don't open it. Instead, search it by name and see if the results point to it being malicious. Here are a few quick boxes you can check to further secure your mobile device from eavesdropping. Check your VPN settings for any installed profiles and delete any that aren't yours. Review app permissions and disable anything non-essential. Update your device with the latest operating system and then reboot it. Securing your mobile device from eavesdropping is essential. Stay vigilant, stay updated, and protect your personal information.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.